Hello, good morning. This is Naz from NB Network Lessons. I hope everyone is doing okay and having a fantastic day. I teach math, science, engineering, computer network engineering. Please check out my collections. You will find a lot of sea of knowledge in there. There's over close to 600 lessons. So if you feel like if you're hungry for knowledge, okay, and you want to educate and gain, go ahead and check them out. Thank you so much. Today's topic of discussion is we're going to solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. I have the quadratic equation format, which is right here. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And this is the quadratic formula. Okay. There are some real uses when you come to quadratic formula. It helps. It's basically if you draw a graph, you get a parabola shape. And the beauty of quadratic formula is that you can monitor the movement of an object at every point on a parabola graph, stationary or moving. Also, you can find peak. These quadratic equations are used in astrology, astronomy, science, calculating profit and loss. So there are a lot of practical uses. So don't let anybody that what is this mumbo jumbo? What's the real use of this? Yes, if you become engineer, if you become astronaut, if you become scientist, there are real uses of these equations. So always remember that whatever you learn during your education, it's going to refine your mind long term. It's going to broaden your horizon, and it's going to help you out when you find a professional job. So let's go ahead and look into this problem. So we have x squared plus 7x plus 3. Excuse me, kind of losing my voice. All right, so x squared plus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. All right, first thing is we know that I cannot find a solution of this using the big X technique. You want to try and see if you can? Let's do it just for giggles. Okay. So I draw a big X right here. Over here you have A times C, and over here you have B. Okay. Let's identify the coefficients. Coefficient associated with x squared, which is A is equal to 1. Coefficient associated with linear x, B, which is equal to 7. And this constant is equal to 3. So A times C is 3, B is 7. You need to find a number. If you multiply, you get 3, and if you add, you get 7. I don't think there is any number. There's no way that you can find a number, two numbers, and multiply and get 3, and if you add them, you get 7. So that is the reason we cannot use the big X technique. We have to use the quadratic formula. So let's go ahead and do that. So x is equal to minus b, which is minus 7, plus minus, you got b square, b is 7, 7 times 7 square, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 3, divide the whole enchilada by 2 times 1. Okay, so then you have x is equal to minus 7 plus minus, and then you have 7 square 49, minus 4 times 1 times 3 is 12. The whole thing divided by 2. So there are two answers now. Okay, so first answer is x is equal to minus 7 plus 49 minus 12 is 37 divided by 2. And the second answer is x is equal to minus 7 minus under root 37 over 2. Okay, so these are the two answers right here. If you want to please your professor, you can go ahead and solve these and find out the answer in decimal form. So again, if you're hungry for knowledge and you want to progress in life, check out my collections. You won't be disappointed. There is a sea of knowledge in there. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, take care of yourself.